हाँ yeah, Manpreet will start in a 2 minute. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we will start with the this one. The previously, see, I have talked about the Murray machine, Mealy machine, the equation, not the equation, but as per the definition, output depends upon what. So, in terms of if you talk about Murray machine, your output depends upon the present state. And when you talk about the Mealy machine, your output depends upon the present state as well as the present input. That is more important. And thereafter, we have seen the state diagram of the Murray machine and the state diagram of Mealy machine. I have given you the respective state table. Okay, I have given you the respective state table. I have explained you how the state table is derived from the state diagram. Okay, So till now, any question related with the state diagram, state table? Because with respect to that, we'll be able to see what is a the reduction, state reduction. We will take an example and we will see how these states can be reduced. That is called as reduction of the state table. So isliye, do you have any question, any doubt so far about the Mealy machine, Murray machine, the state diagram and the state table?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we can start with the example. In that you will be able to clear your concepts. In that you will be able to clear your concepts. I will take only one example, and that example will be well understood by you, and you will be able to see that how this state reduction can be achieved. It's a little bit lengthy problem, but we will try to solve that. Okay, you will be able to solve that. I'm taking the problem which is asked in the Mumbai University, so please be attentive. Shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see here, I will be drawing. Let me give you the problem now. All of you, I want everyone to write on the problem. The problem says, prepare state table for the, I want everyone to write this. Don't wait for the recording and then you will study. No, I want everyone to solve this with me. This is important. Questions are asked. Prepare state table for the state diagram. Prepare state table for the state diagram, and as shown in the figure, full stop, eliminate redundancy, if any. Eliminate redundancy if any. I have to draw the state diagram, but first see the problem. The problem says prepare state table for the state diagram as shown in the figure. Eliminate redundancy if any. We will draw the state diagram which is given. Shall I draw the state diagram? Have you written the problem, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will draw the state diagram. Please draw along with me and be careful while drawing. State A, state B, state D, state F. State C is here. State E is here. State G is here. State A, B, D, F, G, C, E. Okay? अब ये देखने के बाद कोई मुझे बता सकता है whether it is a Mealy machine or Murray machine? ये देखने के बाद कोई मुझे बता सकता है, इतना अगर इतना ही मैंने ड्रॉ किया तो कोई मुझे बता सकता है whether I am talking about Mealy machine or Murray machine?
Mealy machine.
Let me check whether you are Mealy. Yes, you are right. You are right. This is a Mealy machine because in the circle I have drawn only the state. And in the Murray machine, you know, in the circle you write down the state, and below the state you write down
Output.
very good. You write down output. Very good. You write down output. Okay. So see here. अब मैं state diagram बना रहा हूँ and I am reading out the state diagram. Please listen carefully. Everyone, please listen carefully. I am in the same state when the input is 0 and output is 0. I go from state A to state B when my input is 1 and output will be 0. ये हो गया A का. Try to understand. If I have to go from state A to other state, you have two options when your input is 0 and when your input is 1. तो both the options I have drawn. A state का हो गया. Come to B state. I am in the state B. I go to state C when my input is 0 and output will be 0. ये हो गया जब input 0 है. What will happen if you are in state B and if your input is 1? I will go to state D if my input is 1 and output will be 0. Then I am in state D now. If I'm in state D and if my input is 0, I will go to state E when my input is 0 and my output is also 0. I'm in state D, I go to state F when my input is 1 and the output will be 0. And the output will be 0. Okay. Come to state C. I am in state C. If my input is 0, I go to state A and the output will be 0. I am in state C. I go to state D if my input is 1 and the output will be 0. And the output will be 0. Come to state E. Come to state E. I am in state E. I go to state A if my input is 0 and the output will be 0. I am in state F if my input is 1 and the output will be 1. Come to state F. I will be in the same state if my input is 1 and output will be 1. I will go to state G if my input is 0 and output will be 0. Now come to state G. I will go to state A if my input is 0 and output will be 0. I will go to state F if my input is 1 and output will be 1. Output will be 1. Do you think the state diagram is completed? Do you think the state diagram is completed? Please see carefully and tell me whether the state diagram is completed or not. Yes, either it is completed or not. I want answer from you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
ओके तो मुझे बताओ ना ये स्टेट डायग्राम कंप्लीट कब होता है? ओके आई विल आस्क यू द अदर. हाँ
इनपुट 1 and 0 दोनों हो गए तो.
हाँ बराबर है बराबर है. या फिर मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ हर एक स्टेट में से 2 एरो निकलने चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
बस. यस. सो डू यू थिंक इट इज कंप्लीटेड नाउ?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. शैल वी प्रोसीड फर्दर? आपने सबने डायग्राम बना दिया स्टेट डायग्राम?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see the solution now. We will see the solution. Everyone pay attention, see the solution now. Now, given state diagram, can we draw the state table? Can we draw the state table? Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Yes. So see here,
Yes, sir.
state diagram. Now see the state table, everyone. See the state table. See the state table. See, you have a present state. You have a present state. You have the next state. And you have the output. And you have the output. So, present state, next state, and output. Next state, when your input is 0 and when your input is 1. Output, when your input is 0 and when your output is 1. And present state are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you complete the table? Can you complete the table?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please take only 1 minute and complete the table as early as possible. Fast. Are you able to complete the table, everyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please take 1 minute and complete the table fast. Yes, have you completed the table?
Yes, sir.
So please cross check A, B, 00, C, D, 00, AD, 00, EF, 01. गलत हो तो मुझे रुकाओ रुको.
सर 00 आएगा ना EF के बाद?
EF 001 नहीं आएगा, 00 आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it should be 0. 00 ना. ठीक है, अभी बराबर है.
यस सर.
नाउ ई के लिए AF 01, F के लिए GF 01 और G के लिए AF 01. अभी बराबर है सब.
यस सर.
Okay. Now this is the state table now. Now here we have to see properly which are the states which are same. Which are the states which are same. I mean to say that the next state and the output are same. The next state and the output are same. So when you see this state A and when you see this state G, you will see the next state and the output are same. The next state and the output are same. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So this is called as an equivalent state. So these two states are called as equivalent states, or the same states, okay. So I can reduce this table by eliminating state G. अब मैं ये G को निकाल सकता हूं. एंड सी इलिमिनेशन. आप बोलेंगे सर हम E को भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, G को क्यों कर रहे? तो आपको हमेशा याद रखना कि यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. सो आई हैव टू एलिमिनेट. आई कैन एलिमिनेट दिस G. I have to eliminate this G. Okay. When you are eliminating this G, then the state G is replaced by state E. मैं जो बोल रहा हूं उस पे ध्यान दो. Again I am repeating. Now here we have found out equivalent states. So I can eliminate one state, the last state. You have to go from bottom. So G I will eliminate. And once you eliminate G, you have to replace G by state E. So you will have E is equals to G. मैं यहाँ पे साइड में लिख रहा हूँ E is equals to G. यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको? याद है, समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we will have new states. I want everyone to pay attention. अभी मैं स्टेट नया नहीं निकलता हूं, मैं यहाँ पे ही करता हूँ, यहाँ पे ही मैं स्टेट्स आपको बताता हूँ. See here now. A will be as it is. State A will be as it is. B will be as it is. C will be as it is. You will have D as it is, and you will have E as it is, and F. F. If you see F properly, you will see there is G. तो देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, लास्ट वाला स्टेट को इलिमिनेट कर रहा हूं. सो द लास्ट स्टेट आई एम, बिकॉज मैंने बोला था कि वो लास्ट इलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे. और E इज इक्वल्स टू G जो है, E इज इक्वल्स टू G जो है, दैट थिंग यू विल सी हियर. कैन यू सी हियर देयर इज G, दैट थिंग विल बी रिप्लेस. देखो ये रिप्लेस कर रहा हूं मैं, रिप्लेस कर रहा हूं, एंड दैट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय E. एनी क्वेश्चन? एनी क्वेश्चन? ये F है. यस, एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
यस. शैल वी प्रोसीड? किसी को डाउट है इसमें? अभी मैंने जो किया, लास्ट वाला स्टेप मैंने इलिमिनेट किया और E इज रिप्लेस बाय G, वो मैंने किया. तो आई हैव गॉट दिस रिड्यूस्ड स्टेट टेबल. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ रिड्यूस्ड स्टेट टेबल. एनी क्वेश्चन इन दिस? एनी क्वेश्चन इन दिस? Yes or no? Yes or no?
तो G वाला आपने एलिमिनेट कर दिया, उसके ऊपर जो F था उसको रिप्लेस करना है.
हाँ, मैंने क्या किया, लास्ट वाला जो था ना वो G वाला, उसको एलिमिनेट किया, और मैंने क्या किया, E इज इक्वल्स टू G है. E इज इक्वल्स टू G है. तो सॉरी, क्या है, यस, E विल बी रिप्लेस बाय G. तो ये जो लास्ट में, ये जो F में था ना, यहाँ पे पहले क्या था, यहाँ पे पहले क्या था, यहाँ पे पहले था G, यहाँ पे पहले था G. तो मैंने बताया था कि your state G will be replaced by state E. Your G will be replaced by state E. क्योंकि G को आपने रिप्लेस किया है, तो G जहां पे आपको G दिखेगा वहां पे आपको E लिखना है. सो कैन आई से, यहाँ पे मुझे G दिख रहा है, तो इसको मैं इरेज करके, कैन आई राइट डाउन हियर E? यस और नो?
यस सर.
हाँ. और कहीं आपको G दिख रहा है? कहीं आपको G दिख रहा है अभी?
नो सर.
नहीं. तो G मैंने उड़ा दिया, और जहां पे G था वहां पे मैंने E लिख दिया. इज इट फाइन नाउ?
यस सर.
Yes. Now with this we have to see again. We have to see again whether do we have the same state repetition. Whether we have the same state repetition. कहीं दिख रहा है आपको फिर से कहीं स्टेट रिपीट हो रहा है? नेक्स्ट स्टेट एंड योर आउटपुट शुड बी सेम. अच्छा एक काम करो, प्लीज मेक द करेक्शन. ये जो आपने मुझे यहाँ पे 0 बोला था ना, एक काम करो, आपके स्टेट डायग्राम में भी चेंज करो और यहाँ पे भी चेंज करो. यहाँ पे 1 कर दो, ये यहाँ पे 1 कर दो. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, मैंने क्या बताया कि मैंने यहाँ पे आपने 0 लिखा था ना, एक काम करो, वहां पे करेक्शन करो, वहां पे 1 लिखो, और सिमिलरली आपके स्टेट डायग्राम में भी वो 1 लिखो. आउटपुट 1 व्हेन योर इनपुट इज 1. सबने किया?
यस सर.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
सबने किया, ठीक है. अभी फिर से, अभी देखो, कम बैक टू द प्रॉब्लम. अभी ये होने के बाद फिर से आपको देखना है कि कौन से 2 स्टेट्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं.
D and F.
Yes, now see, you will see D and F. Again I can go with the reduction of the state. So can I say in this I will remove state F? Yes or no? I
Yes,
can
sir.
remove state F, and what, you will replace F by D. Yes or no? You will replace F by D. Yes or no? Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can I say your D and F are the equivalent states? They are the equivalent states.
Yes, sir.
And your F will be replaced by D. Your F will be replaced by D. ये होने के बाद see again your state is getting reducted. तो अभी देखो क्या हो रहा है, अभी आपका F निकल जाएगा. Your F will be gone. Your F will go. your F will go. And जहां पे F है, जहां पे F है वहां पे जाएगा D, जहां पे F है वहां पे जाएगा D. तो आपका F कहाँ पे है? आपका F यहाँ पे है, आपका F यहाँ पे है, तो ये निकल जाएगा. वेट, दिस विल गो. आपका F यहाँ पे, ये भी निकल जाएगा. ओके, और ये जगह पे क्या आएगा? ये जगह पे क्या आएगा?
डी.
D. So D will be. So this is after the state reduction. Again, see whether do you find any equivalent state now? Do you find any equivalent state now? Any equivalent state? हाँ या ना?
नो सर.
Any equivalent state? Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. There is an urgent call. Just a minute. Yes, sorry, extremely sorry, urgent call tha. Yes, are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, this is the final reduced state table. We cannot reduce further. So this is the table. Now can you use this table and implement the state diagram by using this table? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि ये मेरा स्टेट टेबल है जो रिड्यूस वाला है. Okay, after reduction, this is the final one. Now using this table, can you implement in the state diagram? Can you implement
Yes.
it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question is, how many states will be there? कितने states होंगे?
5.
5. पहले कितने states थे?
7.
7. Very good. So from 7 we have reduced to 5, and the final state diagram you can draw from this reduced state table. So that was the final answer. आपको क्वेश्चन क्या दिया था? Prepared state table for the state diagram and as shown in the figure, and eliminate redundancy if any. Redundancy means repetition. Repetition of the state or the same next state and the same output. So we have reduced, and this is the final answer. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the final one. I think we will go with the last problem and we can stop for this. Okay, we will go with the last problem and we can stop for today. Okay. See the next problem now. Everyone, please write down. Design a sequential circuit for the state diagram. Write down the problem. Design a sequential circuit. Design the sequential circuit for the state diagram as shown in figure using D flip flop. Now here they can give you a JK flip flop, they can give you T flip flop, they can give you SR flip flop, or they can give you D flip flop. Now this is a problem in which you have to design a sequential circuit. Sequential circuit की बात आती है तो you have a flip flop in the diagram, final diagram. For the state diagram as shown in the figure, using D flip flop, and see the state diagram. State diagram देखो 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 0. You are in the same state. When the input is 0, output will be 1. You are in the 0 1 state. When your input is 1, output will be 0. 0 1 say you will be in the 0 0 state when your input is 1 and output will be 1. You are in 1 0 state when your input is 0, output is 1. You are in the same state when your input is 0 and output is 0. You are in 0 0 state when your input is not given, your output is not given. Tell me, this is Moore machine or Mealy machine? Tell
Mealy
me,
machine.
it is a Mealy machine. It is a Mealy machine. And how many states are there? How many states are there?
3.
3 states are there. 3 states are there. There are 3 states. Okay. एक मिनट और इसमें काम कर सकते हैं. When your input is 1. Yes. Sorry, यहाँ पे लिखो. When your input is 1 and your output is 0. Yeah. Now the state diagram is complete. From 1 0 to 0 0 you go when your input is 1 and output is and the output is 0. Yes, this is a state diagram. Now using this state diagram, can you draw the state table? Shall I proceed further now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now using this, please draw the state table. See the solution now. present state, next state, and output. Present state, next state, and output. Present state, next state, and output. Next state when input is 0 and when input is 1. Output when input is 0, output when input is 1. And the states here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can you complete the table, everyone? Can you complete the table? Yes or no? Yes or no? Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Can you complete the table?
Yes, sir.
So please cross check. I'm writing down the answer direct. 0, 0, 0, 1. Please cross check. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And what you will write down for 1, 1? There is no state, so you will write down just don't care, don't care, don't care, and don't care. Please cross check the table and confirm whether it is right or wrong. Everyone. Yes, I'm waiting for your confirmation. Yes,
Yes,
I'm waiting
sir.
for. It's right. It's right. It's right now. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see we want to design a sequential circuit. हमको sequential circuit design करना है. Okay. So if you have to design the sequential circuit, now you will have the K map for D1 and you will have the K map for D2. Okay. You will have the K map for D1 and you will have K map for D2. Okay. So in this, you have also the K map for output. See here, you have 3 K maps. Design करना है तो K map. So you have to use K map for D1 because D1 is input. K map for D2. Tell me how many flip flops you have to use. D flip flop. How many flip flops you have to use? डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप कितना यूज करना है? यस
2.
यस 2. आपको 2 कैसे पता चला? आपको 2 कैसे पता चला? 2 फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज करने हैं.
4 states are there.
4 स्टेट्स. हाँ ओके 4 स्टेट्स आर देयर. या फिर हम जैसे स्टेट्स के अंदर क्या लिखे 0 0 0 1 1 0. तो एक बीट के लिए एक फ्लिप फ्लॉप बराबर है. सो वी हैव अंडरस्टूड देयर आर 2 फ्लिप फ्लॉप 2 डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप. तो आई वांट के मैप फॉर D1, के मैप फॉर D2. ये इनपुट्स हो गए एंड वन मोर के मैप फॉर आउटपुट. And suppose output is given by Z. And suppose the output is given by Z. So I want 3 K maps. I want 3 K maps. So see first K map for D1. K map for D1. Now here you have to use what? You have to see the K map with 3 variables. So you will have 8 columns. Here you will have X. And here you will have Q1 and Q2. Can any one of you tell me what is a Q1 and Q2? What is Q1 and Q2? What is Q1 and Q2? What is Q1 and Q2?
Output of the two flip.
They are the output of the D flip-flop. They are the output of the D flip-flop. Okay, they are the output of the D flip-flop. So we have to see the output of both the flip-flops. So it is Q1 and Q2. Okay, it is Q1 and Q2. Now, if I want the K-map for D1, tell me which particular column you will use. Which particular column you will use? Which मैं ये दिखा रहा हूँ. See this particular table. Tell me, you know the inputs as X. Okay, you know the inputs. See here, all of you. You know the inputs. This is X bar and this is X. And Q1 and Q2. I am drawing the K map for D1. Okay, so Q1 and Q2. So here it is nothing but here you will have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And here you will have 0 and 1. 0 and 1. How will you fill up this K map? I will show you with one example. When your input is 0, and your state is 0, 0, and your state is 0, 0. So tell me, when you are in the state 0, 0 and your input is 0, what should be written in this column? First column. What should be written in this column? What should be written in this column?
सर वो नेक्स्ट स्टेट वाले में x इक्वल्स टू 0 है, वो वाला कॉलम.
नेक्स्ट स्टेट में एक मिनट, हाँ यहाँ पे बताओ.
ये सेकंड कॉलम.
सेकंड कॉलम, एक मिनट. सो सेकंड कॉलम में दिस कॉलम.
नो सर, ये इसके पहले वाला.
इसके ये वाला.
यस सर.
Very good. Very good. This is the column which we have to use. Again, I am repeating, you are making the K map for D1. What is D1? What is D1? D1 is? What is D1? Can I say D1 is input? Can I say
Yes.
D1? Yes. So, when you are talking about D1, you will be talking about this column. So, ये column क्या बोलता है? When your input is 0, and you are in state 0, 0, you will go to the next state 0, 0. So can I say here, the first column will be single 0. 0, 0 means what? See here, 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 1. Yes or no? So when 0, 0, that means it is what? It is 0. So can I say this is 0? Now tell me, when your input is 0, and you are in the present state 0, 1, and you are in the present state 0, 1, 0, 1. You are in the present state 0, 1. You will go to the next state 1, 0. You will go to the next state 1, 0. So tell me what should be written in the second cell. What should be written in the second cell?
1.
1. 1. See here. 1, 0. 1, 0. So you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 0. And in that 1, 0, the output is 1. but we are not writing to the output. But for this, the output, when the input is 0, you have this 1 0. So I will be writing down this as 1. Tell me for this cell, when your input is 0 and your present state is 1 1. I know there is no present state 1 1, so I will write down as don't care. Now tell me when your input is 0 and you are in the present state as 1 0. See here 1 0 कहाँ पे? ये 1 0 यहाँ पे, 1 0 यहाँ पे. So when it is 1 0, you will go to the 1 0 state. So what should be written here in this column? So
One.
in it is 1. Okay. Similarly, when your input is 1 and your present state is 0 0, go back to here 0 0. Okay. You will go to the next state as 0 1. 0 1. So what should be written here in this cell? In this cell, what should be written down?
1.
1. 1 ही है ना? When
Yes,
your
sir.
input is 1, you are in the present state of 0 0. The output will be written as, it will be 0 because wait 0 1. Okay, 0. And when your input is 1 and your present state is 0 1, you will go to the next state. So see here 0 1 and the next state is 0 0. So what should be written here then? It will be 0. For 1 1 state there is no, so it is a don't care. And for when your input is 1, when your input is 1, you will go from 1 0, 1 0. So what should be written in the cell, last cell? यहाँ पे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? What should be written
Zero.
there? 0. So this is the K map for D1. So from this you will solve the example and you will have the equation for D1. You will have the equation for D1. If you cross check, you will see this Q2x bar plus Q1 x bar. Similarly, you will have the equation for D2. I am going to write down the equation directly. You will do this as a homework. D2, the equation will be Q1 bar dot Q2 bar dot x. And there is a last K map for Z output. Okay, Z output. So here also you will have the equation Z is equals to Q1 bar x bar plus Q2. So you have this equation D1, D2 and Z. So can you visualize the design? In that design you have two D flip-flops. D1 का input यहाँ पे लिखा है, D2 का input यहाँ पे लिखा है और Z जो मेरा output है वो यहाँ पे लिखा है. So you have Q1, you have Q2, you have Q1 bar, you have Q2 bar, you have X, you have X bar. So can't you make a design now? Are you able to make the design? Are you able to make the design, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So once you have this design, मैंने आपको एक briefly बताया, दो flip flop, D flip flop, D1 का input ये हिसाब से बनाओ, D2 का input ये हिसाब से बनाओ, Z जो output है वो ये हिसाब से बनाओ. So you have Q1 as an output, Q1 bar as an output, Q2 bar, Q2 is as an output, Q2 bar as an output, and depending upon the equations, you will be using AND gates, you will be using OR gates, and depending upon that, you will make the connections. And you will have two input, one as X and other as X bar. One as X and other as X bar. Any question in this? Any question? Any question? Am I audible? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll stop for today. this is how we have completed the chapter. Now we have done with the module. We have left with the types of memory, which I will be giving today as a assignment questions. 5 questions I will be giving you. You have to write down by your own handwriting. Okay, आपको हाथ से लिखना है, and you have to submit in the classroom. And types of memory, I will be just taking important one. I'm writing down here. I'll be talking about what is PLD. In the PLD we have 3, that is PROM, PLA, and PAL. These are very important concepts and simple to understand. So this thing I will take PLA, PAL, and PROM we will do in the types of memory. Okay, types of memory में RAM है, ROM है, their difference you have to see, and their internal structure. These are simple. Any of the books you will find out, and features, drawbacks, and the difference. तो आपको हर एक जो मेमोरी है, तो पहले टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरी देखना है, बाद में उसका देखना है व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट फीचर्स, देन व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस, व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस, and the comparison. For example, RAM और ROM में क्या comparison है? You can have 3 or 4 to 5 as a comparison between the RAM and ROM. Okay, so ये सब आपको करना है. These are all theoretical concepts. I am not taking this. Okay, you will be doing as a assignment. You will be doing this as an assignment. I will be giving you 5 questions. इसी में एक important चीज है PLD. So in that PLD, I will be talking about PLA and PAL. So this will take only 1 lecture. और एक लेक्चर मुझे लेना है, वो जो लास्ट मॉड्यूल है, that is Verilog and VHDL. That is also important. So that thing also I will be trying to cover. So next, I think more 2 lectures will be required to complete this part. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think we can stop for today. Thank you. Any questions? If you can ask.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.